This is the largest nature aquarium in the world. Florestas Submersas is located in one of Europe's most renowned aquaria in Lisbon, Portugal. In 2013, a man called Takashi Amano received an invitation to create this monumental piece of living artwork. It was open to the public in April 2015. Sadly, later that year, Takashi Amano passed away. Without his influence and the passion he had, aquascaping, my hobby, likely wouldn't exist.
演出するっていうだから時間の流れをその一瞬にその長い時間がかけてできる風景とか水景を一瞬にしてそれをその見せる。
Hi everyone, I'm in sunny Portugal, in Lisbon, and we're heading towards Oceanario de Lisboa. Looking forward to it. Check the view, and there's one of the biggest bridges in Europe over here. It's massive. Anyway, very nice day, and I'm definitely looking forward to going to the aquarium. So it's not been long since we left Oceanario de Lisboa, and I can say it was an amazing experience. So good. When I walked into Florestas Submersas, I had goosebumps. It's so special, such a special opportunity to go see that. So if you ever have the chance, definitely do so. Go visit. Go out of your way even to go visit. And the rest of the experience was really good as well. You know, you get to see like otters and you know, sharks and stingrays and all this kind of stuff, penguins even. So the rest of it is amazing too. But of course, my favorite part, Florestas Submersas, so special. So I hope you've enjoyed it just as much as I have, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.